Hello, my name is Carly Ziegler. I am a licensed health insurance agent with RV Insurance Benefits. And today I am making this video to explain to you why you should use the services of a licensed health insurance agent like myself instead of just trying to tackle health insurance on your own. And you can see my dog Ghost in the background has come to join our chat. He's relaxing though. I have my coffee, not relaxing. So, reasons that I think someone should use a health insurance agent instead of just dealing with health insurance on their own. Number one, we have a very wide knowledge of what products are available in the health insurance sphere. So, someone that is under 65, for example, and is an RVer or a traveler, for example, coming off of an employer plan because they're quitting their job and they want to go RVing full time and they're looking for nationwide health insurance. The most obvious place to purchase health insurance as a lay person in the United States would be the marketplace. So Obamacare through the Affordable Care Act. And I speak with a lot of people that are feeling really discouraged because they have searched the marketplace for a plan and found them to be limited coverage in terms of network and very unaffordable. Also, a lot of times people get one of those products and they're functionally uninsured because the deductible is so high. So when you connect with a health insurance agent, particularly one of us at RV Insurance Benefits, we have a wide knowledge of different products that are available outside of the marketplace, for instance, that may be nationwide policies and might be a perfect fit for someone like that, save them a ton of money, and also get them coverage that travels with them so that they are actually covered by their insurance when they're on the road. So just general knowledge of products, we're going to have a much better knowledge. And it's not that I'm saying people can't do research on the internet nowadays because I know everybody has access to Google, but it's a little bit different when you do this day in and day out as a job. So reason two why you should consult a health insurance agent instead of just going out into the abyss and doing things on your own. Another great reason is because not only do we know of different products, we also know the pros and cons of different products, and we know the limitations of different products. So I recently got a phone call from a woman who had a major medical policy through the marketplace, and she was a type 1 diabetic who was reliant on insulin to literally survive and live her life. And she canceled her marketplace coverage and got on a health share, which is not even an insurance product. And her health share did not cover pre-existing conditions. You can hear my eye roll here. And she was calling me in an absolute state of panic because she did not qualify for a special enrollment period to get back on the Affordable Care Act. And she now had this useless, non-even insurance product for her situation. And she was freaking out because she needed her medication. And it was extremely tragic for me to tell her that I couldn't help her at that point in time because she did not qualify for medically underwritten products. She did not qualify for a special enrollment period for the Affordable Care Act plans. She was stuck until open enrollment, and it was even more tragic for her. So you can make a really, really serious mistake if you are just out there on your own. And, she didn't realize what she was buying. And I know that a lot of people comb through things a little bit better than that, maybe before they purchase them. But I got to tell you, a lot of people don't. And if you have a health insurance agent, I mean, if she had consulted me before making that change, I would have put the brakes on that so fast. Like she would have gone 60 to 0, like a deer is running in front of her car. So I mean, I just think avoiding major pitfalls like that is imperative. Okay, so 3, we're gonna help you find a plan that is the most suitable for you as an individual. So part of what we do when we talk to people is we ask them what they're looking for. We ask them questions about their situation. I literally start every phone call off by just saying, "Hey, can you give me an update on your situation? What's going on? Why are you looking for health insurance?" And then based off of that information, we help them pick what plan might be best for them, because all of us at RV Insurance Benefits are contracted with a variety of health insurance companies. So, like, I'm contracted with, I think, more than 10 health insurance companies, definitely at this point. So, big name companies, smaller name companies, everything in between. So I'm not just working for a health insurance company. I'm contracted with these companies, and my goal is when I talk to people to help them find what product and what company is going to be the best fit for them as an individual. And an example of somewhere where that service might be really key would be like, let's say I have someone coming to me, they're hitting the road, they need nationwide insurance, and they want a short-term insurance policy that's going to last them 1 year. They think that looks great. They found it online, maybe themselves, and they're just calling me to see what other options I can provide. And they're planning on going RVing for the next 10 years. It's going to be a total lifestyle change. They're so excited. So I would tell them, yeah, you probably should not get a short-term insurance policy, because those year-long plans are all medically underwritten, so you do have to qualify. And even if you're in perfect health, let's say you qualify, no problem, breathe, and you're RVing and you're going hiking, and you're 11 months into your short-term health insurance policy, and you fall and break your ankle and have to get surgery on it. And then you have to go to physical therapy for it. And this all stretches on over a period of 2 months. When your current short-term insurance policy ends, you go to sign up for another one. That broken ankle is pre-existing. It's not covered by the new policy. Oh my God, you need coverage for it? Better hope that it's open enrollment and you can get on an Affordable Care Act plan, because otherwise you're going to be paying out of pocket for everything. And that's a broken ankle. If something more major happens, you have a heart attack, you will not get a new policy issued. You're out of luck. You can be in a real lurch. And even with people that do get short-term insurance policies with me, do you know how I set it up? So that their policy is ending December 31st. So that January 1st rolls around, and if for some reason they had a heart attack on that short-term insurance policy, you better believe we would have a marketplace plan set up for them. So major pitfalls can be avoided. And even if you decide you don't want to avoid them, I can explain them to you so that you're going into this with your eyes wide open. Another thing I would say that health insurance agents do for their clients, eliminate false senses of security with certain things. So I talk to people that maybe don't want an ACA plan, but they think that they can get insurance at any time by just moving. Oh, I'm just going to switch my domicile. It's no problem. I'm just going to move. And one of the special enrollment periods and the qualifying life events on the ACA is a move. So no problem. I'm just going to go without health insurance. And if something happens, I'm just going to switch my domicile and move, or I'm just going to go on this health share. And if something happens, I'm going to switch my domicile and move, and then I'll pick up a plan. It'll be great. I just totally found a loophole in the system. No, no, no. It does not work like that. Even if you move with those those plans, you have to prove that you had creditable coverage prior to moving. And if you did not have creditable coverage, then you're out of luck. So, I mean, there's all these little nuances with this stuff. And it's very important to try to enlist the help of a professional that was tested, trained, licensed, taking continuing education to assist you in finding the best product and making sure that that product is suitable for you and is in your corner if anything does go wrong with your health insurance or if you need to make a change. So I mean, I just think that the use of a health insurance agent is so valuable. And I will tell you, before I became a health insurance agent, I totally didn't think that. I remember I moved from Virginia to Nevada when I moved to Las Vegas. and it was not during open enrollment. And I had to qualify for a special enrollment period, and I had creditable coverage in Virginia. So it was totally legit. I just needed to pick a plan in Las Vegas, in Nevada, and sign up for it on their marketplace. They have a state one, Nevada Health Link. And it required me to talk to a health insurance agent to submit all the special enrollment period documentation. And I was upset about it. I just wanted to do it on my own. I didn't want to deal with someone. I talked to this agent. They ended up helping me out. No sweat off my back. Everything was good. But the thing is, I mean, what was really good about talking to the agent is I didn't understand the income limitations with the ACA. And I knew that I was going to get a subsidy at that point in my life due to my income. But I was looking for a second job. And if I had gotten that second job, my income was going to skyrocket and I was going to lose my subsidy, but I didn't realize that. And the agent was like, look, if you get that second job and your income goes up, you need to get back on here and adjust your income on your application because otherwise you are going to owe a fortune when tax time rolls around. So even little things like that, I've been saved myself by using an agent before. And I feel like I have helped a lot of people, and that is our goal, is to help people. We want policyholders and clients to be happy. And if we do not have a product that is going to help you, we're not just going to try to sell you something else. I'm going to steer you to whatever I know that is going to be the best fit, even if it's not a company I'm contracted with. And if I can't help you, I'll be the first person to tell you that. Um, so I just think, do your due diligence, use an agent. We're super helpful, we're super friendly, and we're trying to assist you in finding affordable, comprehensive health care that's going to suit your needs. So I'm getting off my soapbox today, but I hope this was informative, and I hope that it convinced at least a couple people out there to enlist the help of a licensed health insurance agent, particularly one of those that works at RV Insurance Benefits, and ideally me, but the whole team is great. You can find us on our website at rvinsurancebenefits.com. Take care. Have a great day.